All right, second grade, let's stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, second grade. Good morning, second grade. Excellent to have you all back on this terrific Tuesday. Happy Tuesday, everybody. Can't say how proud I am of all of you. You're doing such a great job. Let's get right into the agenda for today. Send me down into the corner, hopefully. There we go. All right, so something totally new. I'm coming back to you. Hold on. Something new. Really exciting. So now that we have Zoom all set up for you, we're going to start doing our guided reading groups again. So you'll notice on your classroom stream your name and a couple of the other friends in your group, along with a date and a time, as well as a link that brings you right to the Zoom meeting. So I'll show you exactly what that looks like right now, because today you might be meeting with me, and some friends might be meeting with Mrs. Smith as well. Trying to go down in the corner. Well, it's not letting me. There we go. All right. So this is what it looks like right here. You'll see your reading group with your name, which days of the week you are meeting, and at what time. So for this student, A student, he's meeting today, Tuesday, at 11 o'clock in the morning. And this is the link that will bring him right to the Zoom session, and I'll be there waiting for him. And these are going to be lasting between 20 and 25 minutes. So not super long, but just long enough so that we can get some reading done together. All right, here's the agenda for the day. You found my video. Morning work's in the classwork tab, so let's go check it out. So Tuesday morning work. We'll see what we got going on. This one's kind of fun. I can't wait. So we have a subtraction problem. Put your answer on this side. Addition problem, answer on this side. And then, what are 3 adjectives that describe the weather today? So this involves a little bit of observation. You need to go outside, check it out, come up with 3 words that describe the weather. And then a little bit of a brain break for you this morning. This is the alphabet for American Sign Language. I want you to practice spelling your name. So find all the letters for your name and just practice them. You don't have to spend super long on it. I just thought it would be really cool for you guys to learn your first name in sign language. So these are really cool. Plus there's videos online that show you a bunch of cool stuff that you can do with American Sign Language. When you're done with this, go ahead, click the turn in button up here. Some friends are missing this button right here, and I'm still able to see your work, but when I pull up my gradebook, it says that you're missing work. So make sure you're hitting this turn in button so that you get all your work turned in so it doesn't look too bad, okay? All right, when you're done with that, you are heading back into the stream to see what we need to do next. For ELA, you are reading to self for 30 to 40 minutes first. Then you're going into the classwork tab, the Reader's Notebook. So heading into classwork, Reader's Notebook. It says to attach a picture of your Reader's Notebook work in the Google Doc. Today, let's focus on writing about the characters from a book you read. Tell me the characters, what are they like, and your opinion of them. So I have created a Google Doc for you, and pretend that this is your Reader's Notebook right here. You go up to Insert, hover over Image, and then click Camera. It'll open up the camera to your laptop. You can hold up your Reader's Notebook, all the work that you did today, and click the picture button, and it'll attach a picture so I can see all of your work, okay? When you're done with that, click the turn in button. We'll see what's next. Back into the stream. After that, Lexia or IXL Language Arts for 20 minutes. Then you're heading back into writing, and you're going to continue your opinion letter writing, and that's in the classwork tab. I also left you a YouTube video right there of the morning of that mini lesson in case you need it again. And if you finished, go ahead and start another letter. You can go ahead and do it on paper, okay? When you're done with that, you have art today. That's located in the classwork tab. I'll show you that real quick because I got that all set up. So this is art outside. Very interesting. Mrs. Davis worked super hard on this one. So it says to look at this link for directions. Click on the link. It's going to open up a Google Doc that you cannot edit. It says finding art outside. Go outside and collect a few things. Look for shapes and sizes you like. You can play around with them out there or bring them in and place them on a piece of wood or cardboard or any place flat. What can you create? An animal, a plant, something else? And you can see this is what Mrs. Davis made. I thought it was really cool. So what I did for you, so that Mrs. Davis and so that I can see your artwork, this is really cool. I've created a Google Doc right below it. The blank Google Doc is for you to upload a picture of your artwork. And again, it's the same procedure as before. You go up to Insert, hover over Image, and then click Camera, and that'll open up the camera to your Chromebook, and you'll be able to take a picture of your artwork and put it right in here. Click the turn in button when you are finished. Alright, after that, you got lunch, recess, make sure you try to get outside. Coming back, we have math, and again, I attached my mini lesson from yesterday if you need it again, because you're doing more practice with measuring to the nearest inch. And all of your work is going to be in the classwork tab again. So, take a look at that. This is work from your workbook, which you do not have. So I took screenshots of it. Up here, it says which pencil is correctly lined up, the top or bottom pencil. So you're going to look at these two pencils right here. Look closely, see where they're lined up, which one is being measured correctly using all of our knowledge. And you're going to just put it right here in that blank. It's either the top one or the bottom one. Then you can break out your own ruler and measure these two lines right here. Looks like part of line B got cut off just a little bit, so just measure it as far as you can. And then you are going to be answering that right here. Number 2 is how long is part of line A, right here. How long is part of line B, right here. And again, it might not be measuring right up to the nearest inch. So you got to use your best estimation skills to say how many inches it is. No half inches, no quarter inches. I want to the nearest inch. Okay, then you're answering these questions right here. There is a second page. I had a number of friends yesterday forget about the second page. And this one says, using your tape measure, measure and record down 4 objects near you. And I already did one for you as an example. And I always have my trusty coffee mug near me. And I measured the height of that, which is 4 inches. And make sure you're including right that word right there, your unit of measure, so we know what you are measuring in. Are you measuring the number of pigs, the number of toenails? No, we need to be using inches, right? All right, when that's done, click the turn in button up here. It looks like I'll have to fix some of the sharing settings, but there will be a turn in button for you there. When you're done with that, you're working on science again, and you are going to be doing, hopefully, you're going to be creating your coolers today. I'd like you to start building your cooler. And if you click over here, you'll be able to attach a picture, again, using the same procedure. Insert, image, camera. Okay, and you can upload it right in here so I can see how much you got done today. All right, so remember, you have today and tomorrow to finish building your cooler. You do not have to finish it today. So please do not click the turn in button because you're going to be working on this right through Thursday. All right, second grade. That's the plan for today. We have a class Zoom meeting starting at 9 o'clock, which you will also see on your classroom stream. So please try to join us for that. I'd love to see you all again and be looking to see if you have a reading group today. Again, you'll see that on your classroom. You'll be seeing that on the Google Classroom stream, okay? It'll say your name right in there and when and where you need to be, okay? Good luck today, second grade. I will see you all in just a little bit.